Today we're going to be talking about the solar systems and the planets that are in them in our solar system. Does anybody know how many planets are in our solar system?
Is that 8?
8? 8. Very good. First planet we're going to talk about is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the hottest planet, and it takes it approximately 88 days to orbit, to make one complete orbit of the Sun. Anybody know what the next planet from the Sun is?
Venus.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is also called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size and gravity. It takes Venus 224.7 days to orbit the Sun. Does anyone know what the third planet from the Sun is?
Earth.
Good. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, as you indicated. It takes it actually 366 days to make a complete orbit of the Sun, which is 1 year. It is called the blue planet, and it is the only known planet in the solar system that can support human life. Anybody know what the next planet might be?
Jupiter.
No.
Sorry, it's Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also called the red planet because of its reddish appearance. It takes Mars 687 days to orbit the Sun, and it is one of the few planets that can be seen without a telescope.
Next planet.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Good, got it. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It takes, get this, 11.86 years to make one complete orbit of the Sun. It is called the giant gas planet, and it has long been associated with mythology and different cultural beliefs.
The next planet we're going to talk about is Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is also a gas giant just like Jupiter, and it's actually lighter than water. It takes Saturn 29.5 years to complete an orbit around the Sun.
Last planet, the seventh planet, who knows which is the seventh planet from the Sun?
Saturn.
Saturn? Okay. It's actually
Uranus.
Good job.
Sorry. But it is the seventh planet from the Sun. It's the first modern time planet that was discovered by the telescope. It is very windy on Uranus. The winds can exceed up to 560 miles an hour, and it is the third largest planet in the solar system.
The eighth and farthest planet away from the Sun is Neptune. It'll complete its first orbit around the Sun this year, as it takes 164.79 years to orbit. This concludes our talk about the planets. Now we have a few little additional things we want to add.
How about rings? Is anybody familiar with the planets that have rings around them?
They're, I know Saturn does, and Saturn's the one you can see, and then the other one's the one you can't see, but they do have rings. What are, is that right? Is it water and ice?
You can visually see the rings around Saturn. You can't see them as clearly around Uranus.
Okay, so I knew there was something, I just never knew really something like that.
The last thing we're going to talk about are the moons. Only 6 of the 8 planets actually have moons. That's Saturn, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Earth, and Uranus. Okay, now we're going to play a little game to see what y'all have learned today. Can we have a volunteer to come up and hit one of the
good.
balls?
They're numbered 1 through 8, so just hit them as you get to them. 1. There you go.
Which planet is farthest from the Sun?
Neptune, I think.
Good job,
Very
it's
good.
Neptune. Can we have
All
another
right, let's
volunteer?
come up. I guess you can hit number 2.
Which
Jupiter.
planet is the largest?
Say Jupiter.
Very
Good
good.
job.
Good, good. Next one.
Just a minute.
Want to come up? Number 3. Okay,
Which planet does not have a moon? Mercury.
Very
Good job.
Thanks. You going to roll these back around?
Yes, sir.
Which planet is closest to the Sun?
Man, that hit our Mercury.
Very good. Good job. Next.
We have 5.
Oh, number 5. Which planet does not have a ring on it?
Earth. Okay.
6.
Samara.
I'm gonna beat you.
Which planet is the smallest?
Mercury.
Good job.
Very good. Number 7.
2 more questions.
All right.
Which planet can support life? Earth. Good job.
And last but not least,
Oh, that's
Number
least.
8.
Last and least.
which planet is called the sister planet Earth?
Venus.
Very
Good
good.
job.
Good job.
That will conclude our lesson on the planets today.
Thanks for your participation.